Good day everyone, I'm your Mr. Itiel and welcome back to my channel. So for our lesson today, we're going to express fractions into decimals. For example, express 5/8 to decimal form. So we have two methods in expressing fractions into decimal. The first method is by using the long division. The second step is by manipulating its denominator or by making the denominator with the power of 10, like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. So let us show the first method. So ang first method natin, that is by long division, where this 5/8 will become like this. Okay, so ilang 8 meron sa 5? So that you need the help of a decimal point, then add 0. So how many 8 can you get doon sa 50? Meron tayong 6. 6 times 8, we have 48. Then subtract, this will become 2. So add 0, bring down 0. So how many 8 can you have in 20? We have 2. 2 times 8, 16. Then subtract, 20 minus 16 is 4. Kailangan maging 0 ang remainder. So since hindi pa siya 0, add 0 again, bring down 0. How many 8 can you have in 40? Or 40 divided by 8, that is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, that is 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore 5/8 in decimal is 0.625 or 625 thousandths. Pwede rin siya magkaroon ng 0 dito. Okay? So this is our answer. Next, another method is by manipulating the denominator, where gagawin natin siyang power of 10. Pwede siyang 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Okay, so iisip tayo ng whole number na pwedeng i-multiply by the numerator and denominator, in which ang magiging product ng denominator is a power of 10. So as you can see, wala tayong pwedeng magamit na whole number na i-multiply by 8 para maging 10. Para maging 100, wala rin tayong whole number nun. Pero para maging 1,000, kailangan natin ang 125. So 125 times 8 is 1,000. So kung nag-multiply tayo ng 125 sa denominator, ganun din ang i-multiply natin sa numerator. Dahil kapag dinivide ito, magiging 1 lang siya. At 5/8 times 1 is still 5/8. So walang nabago sa ating 5/8, pero magkakaroon ng way para makapag-convert tayo ng 5/8 into decimal. So 5 times 125 is 625. So, since meron na tayong 625/1000, madali na natin itong mako-convert by decimal. So, mula sa 625, i-move lang natin to, yung decimal point niya, to the left, kung ilang 0 meron doon sa power of 10. Since tatlo ang 0 nitong 1,000, i-move natin siya ng tatlo. 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, 5/8 is also 625 thousandths or 0.625. So, same lang ng answer na nakuha natin kanina. So, let's go to the next example. Okay, example number 2. Let us convert 3/4 to decimal form. So, meron sa inyo na mabilis mako-convert ang 3/4 into decimal form. Pero kung hindi nyo pa masyadong master ang pagko-convert nito, pwede natin gamitin yung dalawang method, no? So, sa unang method, by using long division, 3/4, yung 4 that is the denominator, magiging divisor siya. Yung numerator, magiging dividend. So, ilang 4 meron sa 3? Siyempre, wala. So, you need the help of decimal point. So, add decimal point and lagay natin sa taas yun. Add 0. So, ilang 4 meron sa 30 or 30 divided by 4, that is 7. Then 7 times 4 is 28. Then subtract, that will become 2. So kailangan 0 ang remainder. So add 0 pa, bring down 0. How many 4 will you have in 20? We have 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So therefore 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore 3/4 is also 75 hundredths or 0.75. Pwede rin siyang 0.75. Okay? So let us use the other method by manipulating the denominator. From the given 3/4, para maging power of 10 ang denominator natin, pwede siyang 10, 100, pwede siyang 1,000. Okay. So, anong i-multiply natin dito sa denominator na 4 para ang product niya ay 10? Wala. 100? Pwede. That is by 25. So, ganun din sa numerator. So, 4 times 25 is 100. So, power of 10 siya. Then, 3 times 25 is 75. So, since over 100 na ito, mabilis na natin itong makakonvert into decimal form. Where 75, yung decimal point ay nandito, i-move natin to the left 2 times since dalawa yung 0. So, 1, 2. So, the answer is 0.75. 3/4 is 0.75 or 75 hundredths. Pwede rin siyang may 0 dito. So, we've got the same answer. Okay, number 3, express 1/6 into decimal form. So, at this point, we will just give our focus in long division method or method number 1. So, di-divide natin, magiging 6 yung nasa divisor and then 1 yung ating dividend. So, ilang 6 meron sa 1? Okay, so wala. So, kailangan natin ng help ni decimal point. So, itaas natin siya, then add 0. Ilang 6 ngayon meron sa 10? 1. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. Then subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then, hindi pa 0, add 0. Then, bring down 0. How many 6 do you have in 40? We have 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Then subtract, that will become 4. Hindi pa rin 0, add 0, then bring down 0. So 40 divided by 6 is 6 pa rin, then multiply, that is 36. Then subtract, that is 4. So as you can see, paulit-ulit na lang yung ating division, pero hindi pa rin nagiging 0 ang ating remainder. So kung gano'n na mangyayari, pwede na lang natin i-round yung ating answer, where 1/6 is equal to 0.166 or 166 thousandths. O kaya, since ang digit na paulit-ulit dito ay yung 6, pwede natin siyang i-express into like this, 0.16 bar. Ibig sabihin ng bar, it signifies na ang digit na 6 ay paulit-ulit dito. Okay? So, 1/6 is equal to 0.16 bar or 16 hundredths. So, again, 1/6 is equivalent to 166 thousandths or i-round na natin siya. That is 167 thousandths. Or, pwede rin siyang ganito, 0.16 bar. Meron siyang bar doon sa 6. Okay, example number 4. Convert 7/11 into decimal. So, using long division, this is your 11, this is your 7. Ilang 11 meron sa 7. So, wala, lagyan natin ng decimal point, then add 0. How many 11 in 70? So, we will have 6, and 6 times 11 is 66. Then subtracting this, that is 4. Since it is not yet 0, add 0, then bring down 0. How many 11 do you have in 40? 3. 3 times 11 is 33. Then subtract, that will become 7. It is not yet 0, add 0, then bring down 0. How many 11 do you have in 70? 6, then multiply, 66, subtract, that is 4, add 0, bring down 0, that is 3, multiplied by 11 is 33. Then, this is 7. So, babalik lang siya dito sa 7. So, as you can see, paulit-ulit lang yung 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, and so on. So, we can now say that 7/11 is equal to, round up natin dito. Yung susunod dito is 6, so gawin nating, ayan, 4. So, this is now 6,364 10 thousandths. Or, since now ulit ang 6, 3, and 6, 3, pwede na natin itong lagyan ng bar. So, 7/11 is equal to 63 hundredths bar. So, meron siyang bar sa 6 and 3 since 6 and 3 ang paulit-ulit na digits. So, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy learning about expressing fractions to decimals. And before I end up my video, I would like to give my special thanks to Mr. Eldrin Dalican, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye!